Hello and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 1. Boy, girl, book. What's missing? Boy, girl. The book. Boy, girl, book. What's missing? The boy. Boy, girl, book. What's missing? The girl. Apple, ball, cup. What's missing? The ball. Apple, ball, cup. What's missing? The cup. Apple, ball, cup. What's missing? The apple. Pen, radio, phone, TV. What's missing? The pen. Pen, radio, phone, TV. What's missing? The phone. Pen, radio, phone, TV. What's missing? The TV. Pen, radio, phone, TV. What's missing? The radio. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a girl. Is it a ball or an apple? It's a ball. Is it a book or a phone? It's a book. Is it a pen or a cup? It's a cup. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a boy. Is it a TV or a radio? It's a TV. Is it a pen or a cup? It's a pen. Is it a ball or an apple? It's an apple. Is it a radio or a TV? It's a radio. Is it a book or a phone? It's a phone. What is it? It's a girl. What is it? It's a ball. What is it? It's a book. What is it? It's a cup. What is it? It's a boy. What is it? It's a TV. What is it? It's a pen. What is it? It's an apple. What is it? It's a radio. What is it? It's a phone. Listen, then repeat. Boy, a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. Girl, a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl. Book, a book. It's a book. It's a book. Pen, a pen. It's a pen. It's a pen. Ball, a ball. It's a ball. It's a ball. Apple, an apple. It's an apple. It's an apple. Cup, a cup. It's a cup. It's a cup. Radio, a radio. It's a radio. It's a radio. Phone, a phone. It's a phone. It's a phone. TV, a TV. It's a TV. It's a TV. That's it for today. Thank you for coming, and see you next time. Goodbye.